Hey everyone, welcome back to another survival adventure where I'll show you how to build a tent in the wilderness without any tools. If you ever find yourself in a pinch, whether you're out hiking or just challenging yourself to go ultra minimal, this skill is an absolute lifesaver. Let's get into it. First things first, you need to choose the right spot. Look for a place that's flat and free of large rocks and branches. Make sure it's not in a low-lying area that could easily flood if it rains. Now, the backbone of our no-tools tent will be the natural materials you can find around you, primarily sticks and foliage. Start by finding 2 long, sturdy sticks. Each should be about the height of a person. These will serve as your main support beams. Next, find a longer, thicker stick that will act as the ridgepole, the horizontal piece that will hold up your tent's structure. Make sure it's strong enough to support additional weight. Position your 2 upright sticks about the length of your body apart from each other. They need to be dug into the ground slightly to stand firm. Then, place your ridgepole on top of these 2 sticks, balancing it carefully to ensure it doesn't fall. Now, here's where it gets a little crafty. Gather lots of smaller branches, leaves, and even grass. Start by weaving the smaller branches between the upright sticks and the ridgepole to create a framework. Think of it like you're creating a skeleton of a fish, with the ridgepole as the spine and the branches as the ribs. After your frame is in place, it's time to layer over with the leaves and grass. Begin from the bottom and work your way up, overlapping like shingles on a roof. This will ensure that water, if it rains, runs off the tent rather than leaking inside. Remember, the thicker you layer your materials, the more insulation and water resistance your tent will have. In a survival situation, staying dry is just as important as staying warm. Finally, if you're in an area with vines or flexible branches, you can use these to tie and secure the joints of your tent for extra stability. Just twist them around as you would with a rope. And there you have it, your very own wilderness tent made without a single tool. This setup is not only crucial for staying protected from the elements, but also a great way to get closer to nature, understanding how to utilize it in times of need. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the more you practice these skills, the more prepared you'll be for any adventure or unexpected situation nature throws your way. Stay safe, and see you next time.